also known by its generic name sulfadimethoxine, is an antibiotic commonly prescribed to treat bacterial infections in dogs. However, one of the questions that often arises among pet owners is whether Albon can kill worms in dogs. To address this question, it's essential to understand the nature of Albon and its intended use. Firstly, Albon is primarily an antibiotic that works by inhibiting the growth of bacteria. It belongs to a class of antibiotics known as sulfonamides. These antibiotics target specific metabolic pathways in bacteria, preventing them from synthesizing essential components they need to grow and multiply. By doing so, Albon effectively combats bacterial infections and helps the dog's immune system to overcome the infection more efficiently. When it comes to worms, such as roundworms, tapeworms, and hookworms, Albon is not specifically designed or approved to treat these types of parasites. Worms are multicellular organisms with complex life cycles that differ significantly from bacteria. They can infest various organs and tissues in a dog's body, causing a range of health issues, including gastrointestinal problems, anemia, and even more severe complications in some cases. For the treatment of worms in dogs, veterinarians typically prescribe anthelmintic medications. These medications are specifically formulated to target and eliminate various types of worms that can infect dogs. Anthelmintics work by disrupting the worm's nervous system, metabolism, or other essential processes, leading to their paralysis and eventual death. Unlike antibiotics like Albon, anthelmintics are designed to be effective against parasitic worms and have been rigorously tested and approved for this purpose. Using Albon to treat worms in dogs can be ineffective and potentially harmful. Since Albon is not formulated to target worms, it may not effectively eliminate the parasite infestation. This could lead to persistent or recurring worm infections, which can worsen the dog's health over time. Additionally, the unnecessary use of antibiotics like Albon can contribute to antibiotic resistance, a growing global health concern where bacteria become resistant to the effects of antibiotics, making infections harder to treat in the future. In conclusion, while Albon is an effective antibiotic for treating bacterial infections in dogs, it is not suitable for treating worms. Worm infestations in dogs require specific anthelmintic medications that are designed to target and eliminate parasitic worms effectively. Using Albon to treat worms can be ineffective, potentially harmful, and contribute to antibiotic resistance.